Hey guys, today I'm gonna check out this 3-in-1 foot massager to receive for event purposes. I think that it's a really interesting one because, well, let me tell you, you get this metal bar that it's for like a cold massage, this relaxing side one, and the acupuncture one. Okay, it has some anti-slip patches on this side so it won't slip when you are using it, and well, let's test it out. Okay, so we're gonna take it and use the side that we are choosing. It's facing upwards, and just give it a go. After a long day of walking, running, or even just standing, the massager can be an excellent solution for a cooling comfort when you are at your house. Or not just at your house, you can be using it at your office, wherever you need it. With its detachable stainless steel ice roller delivering a soothing and cold compression that can help you feel a little bit more comfortable when you are winding up from a long day. You just have to freeze it for 1 or 2 hours and experience a long-lasting cooling sensation. It's engineered with a dual silicone rollers, and the massager simulates reflexology points along your foot, ideal for runners, office workers, or anyone that takes on their feet all day. And with its silent bearings that produce under 50 decibels of sound and a non-slip silicone base, this massager stays steady and whisper quiet, even during deep massage sessions, which I think that is perfect for your desk, using it in your living room, or just at your bedside. The balanced stainless steel core and ergonomic design can adapt to any kind of foot shape, from heel to arc to fascia. You can choose between the cooling therapy, deep tissue massage, or just the everyday rolling relaxation option, all in just one compact and durable design. It's built to last and easy to use, and it can make for a thoughtful gift for anyone that stands on its feet all day long. Overall, I think that it's a really versatile foot massager that you can use anywhere that you need it. I really like it and I will really recommend it.